everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm with my friends and as you all know my name is Shurun Shukur. Let they introduce themselves.
Hi, I am Hannah.
Hi, my name is Minha and I'm Hannah's sister.
Hi, I am Nahan. I am Aisha.
Hi, I'm Fazan and these are my brothers. They'll introduce themselves.
Hi, I am Ayman. Hi, I am Ahian.
Actually, Hannah and Mina have already appeared in one of my video, and if you guys did not watch that video, the link is in the description below. And they did, I think that is video. That video is based on climbing the tree. Okay, and today we are planning to do a skit, and the name of the skit is "The Race Against Time." And this is the most beautiful video that I have ever uploaded in my YouTube channel till now. So
And
please.
bloopers.
And so please don't stop watching that video. A bloopers at the end. And stay safe, stay calm. So let's get started.
Once in a village lived a competitive and athletic little girl named Priya who lived with her grandfather, a wise old man. She was very cheery and lively. In the village, she played with her 4 best friends, Diya, Sneha, Aju and Miju. Out of her friends, Diya was blind and Sneha was crippled, but this never stopped them from having fun with each other.
Grandfather, why can't we have a race here in our village?
That sounds interesting, dear.
Yes, and me and my friends could participate in the race.
Okay, dear.
And we could invite our neighbors to watch the race. And I will tell you, Grandpa, I'm going to win this race for sure. Hey, I'm thinking of having a race.
A race?
Yes, and all of us could participate in it.
It sounds fun. When are we having the race?
I think we could have it today evening and we can call all our neighbors to cheer us.
Let's start the race. Let's have a race.
Okay. Hello, we are going to have the race today. Actually, me too. We are going to race first. Okay. Our grandpa will say-
Racers ready! On your marks, get set, go!
See, Grandpa, I told you that I would win this race, right?
Yeah, but now race Diya and Sneha.
Okay.
Ready, steady, go!
Grandpa, what has happened? Why isn't people joining my success?
Race again, but this time, finish together. You got it? Finish together.
Okay.
On your marks, get set, go!
Yeah, we all won together. Grandfather, I can't understand who are they cheering for. Which one of us three?
Dear, for this race, you have won much more than you have ever did before.
Okay, Grandpa.
You see in your life, what are you running for? Are you hungry for success? Is winning the only measurement in your life? At the end of your life, the question is, who was running next to you in this race? If they were weaker and older, did you help them cross the line? Did you all finish together? Because that is the best race you can ever run. It is not important you win. It is important how you run this race.
Well, we are going to race first. Then our grandfather listens, we can run, okay?
On your hold. Turn.
Grandfather, why can't we have a race here in Adelaide?
That sounds interesting, dear.
I didn't